Hello and welcome to Timmy Sen again for an unboxing of a 2013 Matchbox. Today we have an Austin FX London Taxi 2012 collection. What did I say? 2013? Vehicles for 2013. 120. It's already telling you that I thought it was 2013 because I read that on the back, but I guess it's a 2012 because that's what it says on the front. Remember how raw I am. I don't review much of the package before I press play. We have a 2012 copyright, made in Thailand. And here's some of the other vehicles that you can get that are coming out for 2013, 10 years ago. So that means I've been holding on to this for 11 years. I got this when it came out on the shelves, and I've been holding it and loving it. I know I opened one similar, but I don't think it was an Austin. Got marks on the top there. We have ducks trying to get in on my video. And the driving is on the right. What's going on with my ducks? I can't see them from here. I think there's a bird messing with them. That is really cool inside. Look at that. Wow. Headlights, all painted. And the black is all metal. There's a scratch right on the roof. Plastic bottom. 2004 casting copyright. Made in Thailand, we already said. All four wheels rolled well. Does it roll straight? Yeah. Well, if I go fast enough, it'll roll straight. Oh. Sweet. Ooh. Let's try backwards. And squeezing the ball. I thought so. That would be my... Oh! Sorry if I was squeezing the ball. Ooh, it wants to crash. Alright, how does it drift? I really love that license plate. For some reason, I like it. It's clear, you can see the numbers. There we go. Painted taillights and painted headlights. Oh, sweet. I like it. Boom! I knew it's top heavy though. It is top heavy. That was a perfect one. Sweet. Gotta be careful when you do crazy stuff with it. Don't be taking those corners too hard, especially if you got passengers. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out. Please subscribe. And till next time, T10 out.